How's everybody doing today? Trying something new, so I'm actually trying to go ahead and do my live before my workout. This is part of me switching up my habits, so making this one of my musts instead of my shoulds. So something I kind of talked about yesterday. Today, my title is Everything Good Begins with a Challenge. So a lot of us want to do something, right? But a lot of times the only thing we're noticing right off the bat is, all the things that are in the way in order to do that, right? What are you focusing on? Are you focusing on the obstacles? Are you focusing on your goal? And so, that's my question today is, what is your dream? What is it that you want to accomplish? Everybody has dreams. It's just a matter of if you're going to go ahead and pursue it, if you're going to go after it. And so a lot of times, we're not going after these things because, we're focusing on all the obstacles in front of them, instead of focusing on what our goal is and just going after it. And the other thing too is really what we think of ourselves is one of the biggest issues, right? We're letting this idea of ourself, this limited potential that we think that we have, keep us from going after what we want. So Tony Robbins has a saying, you need to divorce the story of your limited potential and marry the truth of your unlimited potential. So, all of us out there, we have unlimited potential to accomplish whatever it is that we want to go after. But in order to do it, we have to believe. So in going after your dreams and your goals, it's always good. It's going to start with a choice, right? So the choice is, do you believe you have what it takes to accomplish your dreams, right? And that's a choice, So right now, if currently you have a dream, but you don't believe you can accomplish it, what's going on, Robert? How are you doing? Good to see you. If you don't believe that you can accomplish it, then hey, guess what? You're right. You don't, because that's what you believe. Because you already have the most important asset to accomplish your dreams, and that's your mind, right? Your mind's the most powerful tool out there. And unfortunately, it can be used for good or bad. So that's where choice comes into play. And once you make the decision to start believing in yourself, you can accomplish anything you want. It's absolutely amazing. But again, it's a proactive choice. So for everybody sitting back waiting for something to happen in their life and make these things happen, you're gonna be waiting for a long time. That bus ain't coming, okay? That dog don't hunt, right? You have to proactively choose. First, it starts with you choosing to believe, and then the action takes place. And the action is not some big, I'm gonna, nail it. Those people that, they go to the gym and they go, this is the day, and they haven't been to the gym in months, and then they're gonna spend, 2-3 hours at the gym. Guess what? It's gonna be another few months before you see them back at the gym. No, it's the little actions. Go and just do a little bit, but do it every single day. The other thing too is, so a lot of times we're not doing things, right? And when we're not doing things that we know we should be doing, we want to do, that we know will take us to where we want to go, we're procrastinating. Well, the number one reason behind procrastination is stress, right? So stress is keeping you from doing the task that you need to do. And I've mentioned it before, and I can't remember her name off the top of my head, but she's got a book out. She's got a movement behind her, and you don't have to read the book. Literally, there's a ton of science behind it and all of that. She's done a lot of study on this thing, but it started out just popping off in her head that, hey, you know what? I'm not hitting the snooze alarm tomorrow. And so then what she did is she did the NASA, 5-second countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to stand up and get out of bed. And she did that. And when she got done with 5 seconds, she got out of bed. And let me tell you, there's times I don't feel like doing something. So I will use her 5-second countdown, and that's all it takes. So if you have something that you don't want to do, hey Steve, how you doing? So that's awesome. Steve Greger is watching. Is definitely one of the top educators at IML. I love following him, and is really, to be honest, one of the reasons I'm out here doing this, and you know how I watch motivation every day. And you know, just you know, I want to say thank you, because a lot of my big changes that I've made in what I do every day, I will attribute to Steve and a lot of the things that he has directed me to do, which, you know, again, comes in as a choice. So are you making a daily choice to, you know, feed your mind with positive things? Do, you know, take positive actions. So again, you can change where you're at in a matter of seconds, right? It's just all comes behind making that choice. So I got off track because I saw Steve on here. So let's see. I think, and again, my my message is short and sweet. You know, for everybody that's out there that wants to accomplish everything, accomplish something, right? There's gonna be a challenge, right? But that's what makes it so sweet, right? Is at first that may be inhibiting you from going after it because you're seeing all these obstacles. Don't focus on the goal. But at the end of the day, when you achieve it, what's going to make it so sweet is all those obstacles that you got over. And the way you get over them is you start off by making the choice, by believing in yourself, right? So divorce the story and marry the truth of your unlimited potential. And you've got what it takes. Kathy, how you doing? Thank you. So again, I don't want to make this long. I just wanted to kind of get out there and basically say, hey, if you've got a dream, if you want to accomplish it, the first step that you need to take is believe in yourself. That's the first step, because you actually already have all the tools, you know, and you've got what it takes. So I hope everybody has a great day and go out and get it. Take care. Thanks for watching, Reese. Bye.